So what the heck you doing today there, Johnny Smokey? Well, we're still working on these two guys. I did the, I gotta put them that way because they just slide off. I did the wax on, wax off, and sand the floor. Hoya, hoya. On these two guys. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at them under the magnetromic, I don't even know what to call it anymore, under this magnifying glass here, magnetromic magnoscope. Been a while, I better clean that off. We'll be right back. We're just going to wipe this off. You know what this reminds me of? Hee-haw! Hey, Grandpa, what's for supper? Well, I'll tell you, there was never a window there in the first place. So let me check these out off camera and just tell you how they turned out. I sanded them with, I thought I had 1,000 grit. 1000, yeah. No, 1,500. Let's see how they look. I'll let you know. Alright, we gotta shut this light off. Nope, it was off. So, what I found was, let's see. The Mercedes is Jazzy Sparks because the name fit on the back, kind of, but this driver's side front, I mean, they all look nice. All the wheels look nice on both cars, but there's something half wrong with this ridge. I mean, 1/3 of it, maybe 1/4 of it is missing, but not all the way. No, not all the way. But there's still a ridge on the very inside. Now, smoke here. All 4 tires look good. There's some divots. And I'm really upset with myself because when I was out there doing the sand off, sand on. Oh wait, yeah. Wax on, wax off, wax on, wax off. I wiped off the extra WD-40 from the 1500 grit sandpaper with a cotton sock. Duh. Now I can see there's hair in there. Well, you know, cotton fibers. Yeah. Note to self, don't ever do that again. I was going to take them apart anyways. I'm not happy with the windshields. I think they need a little extra shine. You know, maybe, whoops. Wasn't even watching. I was looking at the stupid camera. A little extra shine. Yeah, they're faster than they were before. I don't hear no click, 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 click down the track. Or down the, you know. But I kept the windshields protected. I mean, just take them apart and spray it with another gloss clear, you know. But now that they're going to be apart anyways, I need to clear all that fiber stuff from the axles, and I don't know, I'm just trying to make the fastest car I can, but I don't know if I'm ever going to make another one like Sweet Tangerine at Bay City Darrow for the top 3 turbo. That was fast. But see, what I should have done is not use those, use that lint-free cloth. I didn't see it handy right away, so I just got impatient. And that's one of my biggest failures. I'm impatient. I want to get a job done. I want it done now. Now, this guy is faster than Sweet Tangerine. I can tell you that right away. But I asked Daryl at Bay City Diecast Racing, is there such a thing as too fast? He goes, 100%. What? Well, it depends on the track and the car. Well, you know, we got a low CG on this. In fact, I made 4 of these. This one's faster. I'm not telling you that secret though. Put him back in the box. I got shipping address and everything. Yeah, I should have used the lint-free cloths to wipe off the excess WD-40. And then hey, get back over here. Did you see Bathurst Diecast Racing today? My other 2, so that'd be 1, 2, 3. The other 2, the Green Dragon and Black Widow, Johnny Smoke, Jazzy Sparks. They raced yesterday. That was Saturday. And I almost voted against myself. But all you viewers out there also on Bathurst Diecast, and Johnny Smoke we trust. What? Don't get me off that pedestal. Dang it. But yeah, it was fun. Johnny's not having any of that ear tugging down the track by Jazzy this time. Cause and then here comes Jazzy. Pew! Push that Ferrari right out of the way. Yeah. Oh, that reminds me of Bobcat Goldthwait about the Stormtrooper cookie jar in a female part of anatomy. You're gonna throw that Stormtrooper cookie jar right out the window the first time you ever see one of those. Anyways. So, one more clear coat, take these apart, clean them up. And now, let's talk about what these tubes are for. Oh, I lost something here. Nope, it's right there. Can you tell what that is? Let's put these over here in a safe place because they will slip and slide all over the place. Okay, what are these tubes for, Bill? Well, I'll tell you. Now, it started, the idea started with these. I'm like, this don't look right, but it feels pretty good. I mean, maybe it was the manufacturing process. It's gonna work. But you know, when I'm sanding these on that big disc grinder, I don't want to mess up my fingers any more than I already have. So, I had an idea. Oh, yeah. Hey, thanks, Lee at Bathurst. Mr. Experiment himself. I found this guy. Okay, he's pretty smooth, but this is the one where I got hurt. Yeah, I lost some skin on my knuckles and stuff. But what if there is a safer way to do this than that big disc grinder? You know, it's got 400 grit sandpaper. Okay, this screw here, you know what size this is? Yeah, it's not that. That's the number 2, the black ones. You see that? And this stainless steel one, is it stainless steel? Yep. Is the number 4. What is it? 440? 442? That's a 256 plus 8. 442. I think. I could be wrong. Because I keep my feathers numbered for just such an occasion. So what I was thinking, it's crazy. To be safer, I mean, I could use this guy, but the wheels are still in. I'm not taking them out. Oh, did you see EP videos today? Those F1s? Yeah, they got these wheels on them. So we're keeping it on the side, but it's way front heavy. I mean, heavier than I would like. Hey, it'd go good down the track. It won't turn around backwards because the weight's all in the front, but it's not good. It'd be good at EP videos. It's not good going over jumps. It'll crash on the front. Alright, so my idea, let's get back to this, Bill. Don't drop it. I know your fingers aren't working very well. We'll put that in there. We've got polystyrene tubes. Oh no, yeah. Oh yeah, hey, Kool-Aid. And I found out that one's too small for the 256s. So they're out of here. But this 440, where the hell did my tube go? Alright, hang on, I lost something. Maybe it was this end. No. I had this all set up. Bill, you idiot. Oh yeah, it is this size. Look, we're going to screw that in there. The hell you going to do that for? Yeah. Hang on, I'll show you. Cut. So like I was saying, it's too late for these guys. They'll be fine. Because it's too late because the tires are already glued in with the E6000, that rubber stuff. And same with this guy. They'll be fine. So this is why we call it an experiment. So I got these tubes, but in this mess of conglomerate stuff I have here, let me put these two away. I found the 440. I was wanting to use these guys, but guess what happens? This is oh Jesus. This is why you call it an experiment. Never done this before. So I put this tube on and I only had one 440 screw sitting here in this mess. And I was going to use these to hold it up and go against the sander, right? Oh, well, you already saw what happened. That ain't gonna work. Timmy, you're fired. Not really. I mean, look, I got the screw in there, but there's no way I can. Even those new washers I bought. Oh no, I lost them. Well, you know, they're over here somewheres. It's a small pack. Dang nabbit, Bill. But anyways, that's the idea. Get something to hold on to this. Look, this damn thing's bent. I hope that's not the glue. Oh no, we'll have to investigate that at a later date. But maybe if I take this guy, now I know if I cut this right, yeah, see? Look at that. Pretty sure I can tighten that up. See, it doesn't go through anymore. So I'll have to do that like twice, but my 440s are out in the 442s, 440s. Those screws, these here two screws are gonna come from the workshop. Yeah, well, you know, my name's Bill. Where there's a Bill, there's a way. So we can use this as a safer way so I don't sand off my damn knuckles or fingernails and stuff on that big disc sander. And just hold it up, keep my fingers out of the way. That was my idea, okay? Hey, I know this is getting long. I thank you for... Whee! It's still not tight enough. I'll find a way. I'll figure it out. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great night. And if you watch the Gravity Throttle Racing, the Ultimate Evos 2.0 are supposed to be on the way to Bay City. I asked him about his track, if he's done built. Ow, there goes my knee. If he's done building it yet. Just about, we just got to add a few details. I said, when you get it done, let me know, because you promised me I'd be number 40, which is like 2 years from now. So I don't know if anybody else wants to race All-American Johnny Smoke. Let me know. Toyota Supra. Alright, you guys have been great. Thanks for all the support at Bathurst. I almost voted against myself. Wow. Glad I did not. Thank you. Yeah, thanks for watching. No more funnies. Once again, I'm asking you for your support. No, I'm not. That just reminds me of Bernie Sanders. See you guys later. 2 thumbs up for all you guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the questions. Thanks for the comments. Hit that like button. It's right there. Click. Thank you. Have a good one.